Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Natural Gas today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every single candlestick represents one hour. Whenever I place the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. These dotted lines indicate something for the respective days. Now let us see what happened yesterday. You can see this tiny red candlestick that indicates the price opening, which opened around 154. So we expected natural gas to stay in buying till 152. That was our expectation based upon various factors we had explained to you yesterday why we expected natural gas to give a bounce back or stay above that. But there are certain key zones which we had pointed out. If you are a continuous follower, you would have followed that. So what happened after the price opening? After the price opening, you can see the market straight away, right from the price opening, it came down and tested 152. From 152, you can see that the market gave a bounce back again till 154, but couldn't sustain or move above that. After the price open, after that, in the evening session, in the mid-evening session, the price broke this 152 also, but you see that the price took some support near this 152, and it was a very long consolidation happened near this zone, and the price closed around 152.2. so the most important thing is that see, natural gas is going to expire today. So normally when the price expires, we can see this type of volatility. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to move just to have some few inputs. We went with current contract. Since we are going to move into the next contract, so what we can do is that we can see the price action what happened in the next contract. So this is the next contract which we are going to trade for this week. And after the price opening, you can see around 164. So it was around 164, but the previous contract was around 154. Then it came down clearly and tested this 162. So we can mark it as a support. Since we are going to move to the next contract, we thought of giving the presentations in this contract itself. So you can take this as a support where the downchain channels is also supporting 162. And after that it gave a clear bounce back. So you can feel the difference between the price volatility that happened in the previous contract and what happened in this contract. So in this contract, that is in the current contract which we were about to trade, you can see the price took the support and it gave a clear bounce back, and it shows that everything is moving up. So right from the price opening, the market cleared the high, created a new high and tested the average, and the price closed around nearly 164.1. so near this zone it has created, which shows a different view what we can do for today. So that was our question. So after taking some support according to the next contract, it is staying higher. So now let us see what is happening in the international prices so that we will come to a conclusion. So this is the price what we were seeing here. So if you see that, see how this price has reacted. This zone, this drastic zigzag zone, is the zone which we traded yesterday. So now I have enlarged this to have a clear view, and we know that 2.86, so many times we have explained 2.86 is a very important zone in natural gas. So what is really happening is that price is struggling to break this 2.86. Whenever the price touches, you can see this how many times the price is touching this 2.86 and there was a failure. So yesterday completely the price tested this 2.86, but it couldn't break or stay above that. And also this 2.82, here you can see this 2.82, which is providing a good support. It is a fight between the support and the resistance. So if you have a close view, you can see that what this 2.82 is all about. Now you can see this is a good support. 2.82 is good support because you can see that the price took the support here and then it moved up. So again, that is the reason it is taking a support here. But here is also a resistance. It is not a very clear once the price clears this very clearly, then only we can expect and we can say we are out of danger. Why we are saying this? You can see the zone here. When the price came down last week, you can see it stayed here for a long time, then it came down. So that is the major reason now the price is struggling to stay above this zone. So the price is struggling to stay above, put something above the zone. So it is a great fight between 2.86 and 2.82. So we don't have other options rather than waiting and seeing what is happening in the price actions. So if you see the next contract, so the next contract, so this is where it is staying. So the price has the contract value is much higher. Let us not confuse ourselves with this today. So let us finish this job with this current contract, which we are trading using this international chart. Now what we can do today is that so after the price closes here, so this is the area where the price closed yesterday, and the late night session, it gave us some hope that the price can possibly move higher. But again, you can see in the after in the midnight trading, it is again taking a clear resistance at 2.86. So in order for the price to move higher in natural gas, we need a strong breakout like this candlestick. We need a strong breakout where it breaks the tops and clears the zone. Else still we can expect till this 2.84, till this zone, these zones or the both buying and selling zones where the price since it is a closing of a particular contract, so it is always a great fight between buyers and sellers. So till the zone swing, if you can put something above 2.86 and if you can stay in this market, surely we can say that it is going to be the much profitable zones for trading, because the stop loss is going to be small. We know that if the price breaks both the ways, it is going to give us a clear price action. So it is worth staying in this type of consolidation markets where we can show what we had learned in technicals. So please, whenever the market consolidates like this, don't stay away from the market. Just let us enter into this market and prove. So if it is very simple, once the prices both the ways, you can expect the market to give a very clear price actions. We had explained this many times. These are the difficult zones for trading, but these are the high profitable zones for trading also. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Have a close watch. 8, you are not out of danger in natural gas. So it is a high profitable zone. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.